by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. A dini there, and you be brave, and this be what? Matakam. You say when a grandma means where them grow, when a grandpa piece where them grow, no. Then get some baby where they do and then they talk. Then they talk say, if you my body ya send them corona. Where this matter it be true pa. It be true for this word inside. You go say some bro, you know be in mind there, in strength there, in focus say you will go sell pure towel. But say of money no day. So if you don't get help, a sort of tongue, not the name, or the shine banner for help himself or herself. You say some people too there, they for do what they do say they go do something. Because the life, you know, the way life they do them now, and why be a few baby because of people when they be stingy, when they get money, but they know they feel help them now. Therefore help them themselves. Say they go sell for street top where they will get small money, take care of them or what? Themselves. Where this matter where you can be say 6 R0bbers. Where them they make them mind say those things they don't know go do. If be them a decision say they go still. They say you're something they pay where then they like hammer. They go do them and I say Charlie. Anyway, so means they go do physically, you know. They go do them do what? Take their thing, you know, because them then they don't not get time say they go do say they go do hard work or then they go do something when they go search money. Then they want quick money. Where now there them a quick money it turn round because come on bab what? Come on bab them. The matter where it can be say they go rob some filling station be where it dey aflau. Where the filling station, they rob their son where they know they catch them. Where I don't know say that filling station to them they be married. Then they rob people where you know the sex security that thing for them when they steal you. And that means the filling station now where they give them what opportunities made them what made them steal. Where they shoot some manager be where he did the filling station in there where they bell him David Foley. Where he did that, where they stand take the man that and then take that money, $5,000 US. When are they motorbike in top? This the Imperi day, this motorbike in top. This one the Imperi today, this motorbike in top. Where they go steal that money several times for them. When are they go steal no? Massa. You will see they be by the bonnet or where them by the bonnet they come, where they catch them. Brother man, then catch them. Where they take them go police station inside. Where they know they talk them a case and thing. Where they talk them a case UST. They take go now. The judge where they will get to the brother man. The judge you know. He might no day. He might they cry. He might no day. The judge need give them 230 years. Imagine say them all then chop. Say then chop one year cry away down. Then go the prison inside that. By the time they will chop that 231 years you know. Not brother man, I don't know. I not sure say them day. The judge didn't know one talk say they forgot day inside life. Oh. He thought the years they give them make them get hope. This one they he be hopeless. Because how if you go jail inside go chop 230 years for jail inside. Then years in the he pass oh that make to salad them the intense no. Where rather them go inside way then they go what? Then they go face that what that years no for prison inside. He did. If you be young girl, you be young boy. You know, say system hard. The system hard though. The system hard for Ghana here. By now they mean say if you take your life, they do certain things where you know they hear. Before be bored of yourself, be know what you know they won't do. Because there are big people where they did this world inside no, where they now get money no. They start plus small thing you. Spy someone like Dangote. That richest man where he did Africa here no. It start plus sugar. The sugar now day in hand. In hand inside where they take galley for traffic inside. Small. Where they start to say they what? They sell back that thing. Now spy down what they. One of the richest man. They thought say Syria then tensa, cement then tensa. He be in it. He get vision say he go be. True in what? In uncle where you give him that money. If you set something give yourself. Say if it this way I won't do. If it that way I won't do. Then target that thing. Some people did this world inside that. They don't know them are purpose for this life inside. So peer pressure they kill people for this world inside. Especially the girls, you know, they want boys, you know. The girls need there. You say in friend get wig way. You say some sure this be them a wig, you know, brother man. It of course. The wig in this house buy one plot. But now you see say it they shoddy in head top. You know be my money. Now me my money cry now. I no go make you buy that wig. Me I no go give you that money say take go buy that thing. I will give you money where you go fit buy moderate wig. Where the boys need to where they give them money, that money need to that boys need to they know they suffer they get that money. You don't know where they get that money. Say then they plug them for 3. If it be 3 top staff where then they plug the money in this server. Say Adriana so ebe sound with Adriana so. Where Kwabrani go carry money pan give Shadi say may you go buy this thing. How the Shadi you go do say he will focus on your lifestyle. You go focus say you go set something better give you life. You know what do? You know what do? Because you know say some brobby day where they give out that money. Where brother man today, brother man don't know what he go take his life do. Now get some party be 10 times. You say me now the Galley plus people where like the child like then day where they do their thing, then they smoke their things. Where brother man can't tap some of the smokers in your body now. When the smokers let us say, Charlie, this thing you smoke here, you go bury your mind inside. You go span now, brother man go take the something song, say it is smoke. Right now, it be the brother man where they buy give them. But now they know be so ideal. But due to people, them are influence. People, they talk and say, you do this, I go help you. No? Brother man start to do that thing. If you don't make someone tell you what you want to do for your life, talk yourself. You go be. Right now, when our brothers when them go jail, 230 years, them dead there. Them go dead there. Jail to brother, you know be easy. If you go jail power way, you will go see what then they do for there. You go bust your brain. This be the matter way what it come. If you go feel leave your comment, it be very what necessary. You leave your comment for there, your advice, anything beer where you want to talk on, brother man, you need to talk for there. If you need you go on a social media platforms, you go feel like on a video they share. The name need be what? Too much what? GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what? Work. Pow! Pow! Pow!
Too much GH. Me did I say Japan. A prepare and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say, Bomaden na share too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane. Bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no nyame no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other Pris0n ade. Cat won. Na Bomaden na be hwe too much GH. Be hwe na subscribe. Bomaden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe. O subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura